Hey y'all, I'm Jayla Morgan and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 6 ways that you can spice up this double puff hairstyle. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So for the first style, I'll be using this yellow bandana and I'll be tying it around my head like a headband. For this second style, I decided to use these colorful barrettes to clip in the front of my head. For the third style, I'll be using these colorful barrettes again, but instead of clipping them in the front of my head, I'll be clipping them in the back of my head in a crisscross design. In the fourth style, I use this lace headband that I got from Rue 21. For the fifth style, I got 2 barbecue skewers and cut them both in half so that I can have 4 imitation chopsticks. And for the final style, I used these 2 scrunchies to put around my buns. I couldn't find any scrunchies that were the same color, so I used these mix match scrunchies, but I think these are just as cute. And you can stop here, but I decided to take it a step further and add these pink sunglasses that were featured in my last try-on haul. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all!